Good morning, everyone. And so far, we have done used the CSS and several styling. Now it's time to learn that any website, even you have seen, so for example, my website that is uacademy.com or any other portal. So how you can make the portal and you can go live. That means you can have it. So this portion is not in your curriculum, but when you're learning web development and when you want to join any company for the internship or any other things, you should aware about this. That is very much useful and it will give you the advantage because as I mentioned, in India we don't have craze to have personal website or personal blog, whatever. But in other country, if you see that the people, even the student, whichever there is school, even a school student, that till college student till 10th also. So in 10th standard also they will be having their own blog website or they will develop their own website and they will maintain that. Even the professionals they do that because it's give you your profile presentation to the world. If you need that, if you are willing that, yes, I should go, you can do that. And please remember this entire video session is for the educational purpose. There is no commercial involved. That means when you want to go live, then definitely you are going to pay online. That is there. There is one thing, if you want, let's go with the step one where you can get free of cost. Okay, certain thing. The first step, there is a something called blogger.com. Maybe you know that or don't know. This is the blogger. This is the Google services. Earlier it was called as Blogspot. Now it is called as Blogger. It is very easy. Just you have to sign in with your personal Gmail ID and you will be able to create. So just click on create blog. It will ask you which your Gmail ID you want to connect. I can connect any my email ID. Okay, you can see that I have created this blog just for the testing purpose. So what you have to do, the moment you open, okay, let's this already existing, we'll create new, then get to that. Okay, you can see here new blog. The moment you open, it will ask you to choose your blog name. Okay, you can give anything, whatever you want. This is blog name. Title I can give educational blog or whatever you want, or educational tutorial, anything you can write it, and you can click on next. Now here the matter is your address. The address is very important here. How you are opening the uacademy.com, this is the address. Already I have explained you that, and this is the called as domain name also. Actually it is the IP address, but to remember this, it will be represented in the naming format. So that is the domain name. Okay, then when you use this one, actually this is the blog. So what happened, the Google name will be definitely, that is blogspot.com, will be attached at the end. So if I am going to use educational, remember one thing, you are not supposed to give any space between that. You cannot write, even if you write a small letter, capital doesn't matter there. See, I'm giving this, it will check. That means this is whatever, if any spelling mistake, because when you give that tutorial, definitely it will be not there. See, sorry, this blog address is not available. It means that somebody has taken this name. Okay, Then you have to write something, you have to add tutorials and add. Okay, see, the moment I give, it is available. That means you are going to just now, it is this blog address is available. You have to click on save. The moment you save here, automatically it will open like this. And by default, you have so many other options. You can change the themes, you can change the layout, everything's are there. So even if you go to the themes, you can see that which theme you want to use there. Even you can use your custom theme also. It's totally depend on you. Okay, I'll just take anything. Okay, I'll choose this one. You can see that how the layout is there, and just you have to click on apply. If you want to customize, you can customize. I'll apply here as of now. New theme is applied. Now if you have a look on your blog, okay, now I'll just go to the post and we'll post at least one post, so we'll be get to know that how the post will be there. Okay, so once you come to the post, and so many other options are there, just click on new post and you have to give the title. I told you during the starting time, you have to specify the title tag which we used in meta tag. So here it's not like separately. So this is the title and this is the entire body section of the HTML page. I'll give just same educational tutorial. Okay, and just take this one, take here. If you want any image, if you want this as a bold letter, select this one bold. Even if you want to change any other paragraph style, you can see that heading, it will get appear. If you want to change the color, even you can change the color of the text, right? And if you want the photos, videos, anything, you have the option over here. You can click on insert image, upload from computer. You have in Google Photos by URL, so you can take from the computer also. It's totally your wish. So I have to click on choose option and then I'll select this. Okay, I'll just pick our Indian flag, select this one and click select. You can see that what is the exact image size. You have the several properties. You want left alignment, center alignment, right alignment. You want the image size. So image size is now medium. You want large, you can click on large. Even if you want more, just again click on that. Extra large, it will become extra large like this. Even you can give the some caption is there, you can use it. You can see here. Okay, so like this way you can add the content. You can just drag and drop and you can write the content accordingly. The moment you click, as I mentioned, you have to use alt tag. Okay, the caption is very important. If you are not giving title tag, also no problem, just update it. And then you are going to click on hit on the publish button. Until you will not publish, it will not available on the globe for the others to visible. So I can click on publish. It asks yes, I'll do that. The blog is ready now. Now how you can view that? Okay, if you either you open, click here if you want to see that, and even if you click on preview, you can able to see that preview. This is the preview, that is the before editing, how it will be there. I want pre-editing, that means, okay, that means I have published. Okay, now okay, so what name we have given. So now we want to see the view, then you will be searching where I can click on that. If you remember the name, directly you type in the browser. If you don't remember what I gave, the moment you have posted the blog, and you can see that you have the several options, right? That revert draft, you can apply the label, delete, and here you have the view. Click on the view. The moment you click on the view, you can see that this is my first blog, it's open, and you can see that this is the home page. So you can see that educational tutorial pk dot blogspot.com. So this is actually called as subdomain. What we are using is subdomain. So under the subdomain category we have created this blog, and this is actually hosted on the Google services. Like this way we can create the blog, and you can, whenever you publish, you can see that archive. In June I have published what I have published in June. It will give you this post. I'll click on this, it will appear, and you can see powered by Blogger, that is nothing Google. Like this way, this is your blog. You can design. There is no charges available in this services offered by Google, but the thing is that you are going to have the domain name, that is the blogspot.com, or even you can use the .in also, get open. This is the one way. Here no services. The second